How to change REDNote application to English on Android or iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language of REDNote application to English on Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open your REDNote application and you'll be redirected to the home page. So here you can see that when first you log into REDNote, everything is in Chinese, even the notifications and everything. So what you're going to do is click over here. This is basically the me icon, that is your profile icon. So just press over here at the right side and you will be redirected to your profile. So what you got to do is click on this gear icon over here. So if you don't understand Chinese, no need to worry, you can just follow these steps in order to change the language into English. So just click on this gear icon. And over here, you're going to select the second option. And after that, you're going to select the first option, that is languages option. So just select this first option. And here, you will be able to see English. So just click on English. And after that, once you click on English and it gets loaded, you will be able to see that the language of the application has been changed to English. And when you click on this me icon and come back to your profile, you'll be able to see that everything has been changed to English. So that was how you can change a language of REDNote application to English. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.